Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the right lenses and fit. Choose 30-50% blue light filtering so color and clarity remain usable. Once done, measure your pupillary distance and adjust temple length and nose pads for even pressure. This prevents slippage. Make sure frames sit level, 1-2 mm above lashes, and clean lenses with a microfiber cloth, not paper towels. You'll feel immediate comfort when frames are centered. Keep the case handy for storage to avoid scratches and warping. You should wear blue light glasses during extended screen sessions, and especially in the evening to reduce glare and aid sleep rhythm. Once done setting them up, pair usage with 20-20-20 breaks. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds to relax accommodation. Make sure to lower screen brightness and switch to a warmer color temperature at night. This complements the lenses and reduces retinal strain. You'll notice fewer headaches and calmer eyes after consistent practice. You finish by integrating advanced habits. Rotate between prescription and non-prescription lenses if needed, and use blue light only in the evening for sleep-sensitive people. Once done monitoring effects, replace lenses when scratches cover roughly 10% of the visual area because distortion increases strain. Make sure to troubleshoot methodically. If headaches or blurriness persist, change only one variable at a time. Frame fit, filter strength, or screen settings. That way you identify the cause quickly and restore comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.